The Air Jordan 13 collaboration with the Notorious B.I.G. stands as one of Jordan Brand's most meaningful tributes, merging sneaker lore with the late rapper's cultural impact. First introduced in 2017 to celebrate Biggie's 45th birthday, the pair never reached retail despite a quietly expanded friends and family release. Initially believed to be capped at 23 pairs, additional quantities were privately distributed within the Wallace circle. Each shoe showcases premium black suede and leather, a portrait of Biggie on the tongue, and quotes like "It was all a dream" and "Think Big" stitched behind it, personal touches honoring his legacy. A custom box and commemorative tissue paper amplify its exclusivity. In 2023, 23 pairs raised $510,300 at auction for the Christopher Wallace Memorial Foundation, aiding inner-city youth education. Today, this unreleased pair remains a rare fusion of music and sneaker culture, an emblem of reverence, storytelling, and philanthropy.